Let's start again with the same lesson, part 2. Now in this part, we are going to learn about plants which are used as food. We all know that living things, they need food. Why? Because they want to live and stay alive. So to stay alive, each and every one of us, we need food. And we all know that food comes directly or indirectly from the plants. Plants, they give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, beverages, spices, oil and sugar. Beverages means the drinks like tea, coffee. Spices means the masalas. Cereals, rice, wheat. Pulses, different varieties of dals. So all these things, they come from the plants. So plants, they give us food. Now we will see it in detail, that how different plants are giving us different things. In the last lesson, you have already learnt that we use different parts of plant as food. Some roots like carrot, beetroot, radish, we eat as the parts of the plant root. Some stems of the plants like potato, ginger, onion, we eat. Then some leaves of the plants like spinach, cabbage, lettuce. Then some flowers of the plants we eat, cauliflower, broccoli. The fruits we eat like capsicum, brinjal, tomato. Then some seeds which we eat, they are beans, peas, hackened beans. So all these things, they come from the plants which we use as food. So let's see vegetables. Different parts of the plant such as roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds are used as vegetables. As I explained you, radishes, carrots, beets, they are the roots of the plants that we eat. Then potatoes, onions and gingers are the stems. Cauliflowers and broccoli are the flowers we eat. Spinach and lettuce are the leaves we eat. Tomatoes, capsicum, brinjal are the fruits which we eat. Green peas and hackened beans are the seeds which we eat. So all these things we eat comes from the different parts of the plants. Then plants, they also give us fruits. Plants, they also give us fruits like the banana, apple, grapes, papaya, mango, orange. All the fruits, they come from the plants. Then plants also give us cereals and pulses. The daily diet of the vegetarians is the cereals and pulses. So from where they come? They come from the plants. And what are cereals and pulses? Cereals and pulses are the seeds of the plants. Rice, wheat, maize are the examples of cereals. And when we eat them, we get energy. Pulses like bean, gram, peas, kidney beans. What do you mean by kidney beans? Rajma. So when we eat all these pulses, we get protein which helps us to grow. So the cereals and pulses also come from the plants. Then next comes the spices and oils. As I told you, spices means the masalas. So we add the spices to our food to get the flavor, to get the taste. So pepper. Pepper means the small black balls you have seen, golki, that is pepper. Turmeric, haldi. Cardamom, that is elaichi. cumin, that is jeera. All these are the spices that we get from the plants. Then the plants, they also give us oil. Now how? The plants, they have the seeds. Some plants, their seeds are used to make oils like coconut, sunflower, mustard, groundnut. All these seeds of these plants, they are used to make oil. So in this way, the plants, they also give us spices and oils. Then comes the beverages, dry fruits and sugar. Beverages means the drinks like the tea and coffee. So tea comes from the tea leaves and coffee comes from the coffee beans. Then sugar, you must have seen the sugarcane plants. So that sugarcane plants are taken to the factory and from that the sugar is made. Dry fruits. Dry fruits means the kaju, badam, what we eat. They are called as the dry fruits. They also come from the plants. Moreover, the plants, they give us other plant products also. Like the plants, they give us wood. The wood is used to make the furniture. The furniture in our houses is made from the wood and it comes from the plants. Then wood is also used to make houses, boats, carts. So all these things, they come from the plant. Then comes the paper, rubber, gum. Paper is also obtained from plants, bamboo and pampas grass. They give us paper. Then rubber. Rubber also comes from the plant. Then from that plant, from the rubber tree, the liquid is taken out. And that liquid is taken to the factories. From that, the gloves, rubber ball, tires and erasers are made. Gum. Gum is obtained from kikar plant. One plant is there that is called as kikar. From that the gum comes. Then the fibers for clothes and bags. The fibers, what do you mean by the fibers? Fibers means small threads. So from these threads we make our clothes. So the cotton fibers, they come from the cotton plant. The cotton fibers, they come from the cotton plant. Same way jute. Jute fibers, they come from jute plant. You must have seen the boras what we use, no, brown colored. They are called as the jute things. So they are made from the jute fibers which comes from the jute plant. The ropes, the mats, bags, all these things, they are made from the jute. Then the plants, they give us medicines also. You must not be knowing that much, but if you ask your grandparents and the other people, old people, they will tell you how the plants, they give us medicines. Plants such as tulsi, mint, neem, turmeric, they are used as medicines. So, in this lesson, we have learnt many things. See, medicine, how the medicine is there in the plants. Tulsi. Tulsi, we are using the leaves and seeds and they give us relief when we have cough and cold. Then neem, we use the leaves, bark and seeds when we have any pain or like that. Means some injury is there. We apply the neem paste. Mint. Mint, we are using the leaves. And when we have stomach problem or headache, we use the leaves of the mint. Sandalwood. Sandalwood, we use the bark and oil. If you have any skin problem and if you apply the sandalwood oil, it makes you alright. Then amla. Amla is a kind of a fruit and it is used for cough, cold, and it also increases our immunity. Then henna. Henna means mehendi. So the leaves and flowers are used as the anti-inflammatory, means if you have any burning sensation, then if you apply henna, you will get relief. Aloe vera, the leaves we are using, that leaves, they are very good for the skin and health. So my dear children, in this lesson we have learnt many things about plants, the different things which plants they give us and how they are useful to us. So we get many things from plants and we should protect them. Thank you, children.